excited. We're in line for Star Wars launch day to redeem our reservations. I'm going to go ahead and talk you through a little bit what tonight's going to be like. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be insane. But it's going to be monumental. Star Wars launch day. We actually got super commemorative maps just for tonight. It's super cool. Can't wait to open these up and see them. They're holographic as well. John, how excited are you for tonight?
I'm pretty freaking pumped. This is gonna be awesome.
We got our wristbands. We're all set for tonight. Just to let you know, it's gonna take about 20 to 30 minutes depending on your crowd size. So do give yourself that full 2-hour window to get into the reservation. So don't wait till the last minute. There is gonna be a line waiting for you when you get to launch bay. So let's go ahead and move on to the next step.
Looks like a band of extremists.
I know, right? This is too much effort. I'm keeping my hand.
Oh, they're gonna. We're the stormtroopers in Force Awakens. Oh, really? Did not look like that. So glad they cat on the
Yeah, it's like, I heard that the wait for run is only an hour. I'm like, oh, that's...
And now we wait. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, who says you can't make friends in line? Hello, everyone. So, Star Wars fans are the best fans. We're all hanging out. We're all waiting to get in. It's gonna be fun. Just a heads up, we are at the Hungry Bear entrance tonight. This is the only entrance they're allowing these people to go through. All other entrances are closed exits. So keep in mind that you might not be able to go through all entrances just yet. Guys, we're going in.
Look at the cool place.
Prepare to be immersed in the Star Wars. Guys, I am losing it. This is going to be the coolest thing ever. 40 years ago, Star Wars first became a thing.
World's coolest trash can.
And now we're going to get to experience it in real life. Isn't that amazing? I am in love and I haven't even gotten in.
That one's gonna be like...
I don't remember since like 20 minutes long. And then like part of the line is a ride that takes you, because it's all supposed to be off-world. So part of the line is a shuttle to go to the First Order thing. Then you're taken off of that, put in cells, and then from the cells they put you on a prisoner transport, and that's the main ride.
You been in or?
And
All right, we're moving again.
yeah, he was a nobody, but they explained why that nobody was further.
Exactly, and that's what, like, their bloodline, literally, like, their great-grandfather is the Force, basically.
Yeah.
Welcome to Batuu.
Making
sure there's no First Order supporters around here. You are. You're on the wrong side of town.
It'd be interesting.
I'm looking and still
I love that landscape.
Okay, we're recording now. We are entering. This is the most amazing thing. I am so excited right now.
1662 Sky Hawk.
Here we go. Hello, folks. I'm DJ Rex. This may be your first time here, and it's mine too. Let's get to cruising altitude with a tribute to a song that swept the galaxy. Oh yeah.
Oh my god. I have been waiting for this. I can't even tell you how long. I am losing my absolute shit right now. Let's get the hell over there. Now we're at Savi's workshop for John's custom lightsaber, and he's all ready to go. I know you guys can barely see it, but we'll get other opportunities. I am just beyond bewildered right now. The fact that the Falcon is just like right there. Nothing in my life ever comes close to that. I am about to cry. I am so happy. Honestly, just the attention to detail. I'm sitting on a freaking speeder, guys. I mean, check it. This is so...
That might be a That might be a hidden Mickey, those gears. If you look at it from the right angle.
I see it. So I know it's a little hard to see, but there actually might be a little hidden Mickey in here. That is so cool.
Everybody has a reservation? Okay, whoever's building, I need you in the front. Whoever's building. All right, who can I trust? I trust you. Come with me. Stand in here. If you see any activity from the first floor, you let us know right away. You're going to be the last one. All right, anybody else is ready? Let's go. Come on. That's okay. Please come on in. Welcome. That way. Welcome.
Another builder here.
From this side?
Welcome everybody. I apologize for what happened out there, but you know this, we cannot be too careful. Sorry. I'm glad you're all here. And please, take a look around. Take a look around. Isn't it nice? It's a lot of clutter, a lot of junk. Yeah, it's stuffy too. But for us, this is our home. I have Eddie. I have Priscilla. My name is Carlos, and humbly we call ourselves the Gatherers. You see, we as Gatherers, we have been in many places of the galaxy. We have traveled to forgotten outposts, war-torn planets, and we have gathered many different materials, ancient relics, and everything that we find, we bring it here for you. If a stormtrooper were to walk in here, all they see is junk and clutter. But for us that are going to know, this is everything. You have heard of the Jedi's, like Luke Skywalker? Yes. And the new Jedi, anybody know her name? Rey. Rey, yes. Our spark of hope. And she heard a call, and so did you, and that's why you're here. But you're also here to build this. The lightsaber. The lightsaber is beautiful and enigmatic. The lightsaber is a form of art. It has been held by the greatest of the Jedis and the darkest of the foes. It is the connection between its builder and the Force. In and lets the force flow through you. And today, builders, you will be able to feel that connection. And it all starts with one of this. The Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal will determine the color of your blade. In our workshop, we have 4 different crystals for you today. And we're going to start with this one right here. The blue Kyber crystal. Once held by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. We have the green Kyber crystal, once held by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, once held by Master Mace Windu. And red. Red is the crystal of power, once held by Darth Maul, Darth Vader, Asajj Ventress, and now Kylo Ren. But builders, all of that is history. Today, we are here for you and your future. So at this moment, I'll ask all of you to please close your eyes. Close your eyes. And with your eyes closed, what color do you see? Which crystal calls your name? What will be the color of your blade? Builders, please open your eyes and select your crystal. Builders, if you haven't done so, please place your crystal in front of you on your green holder. Now, at this moment, we are going to be passing around and placing in front of you pieces for your hilt. The hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is what is also going to be keeping your hands without being incinerated. Now, all these pieces perhaps don't make sense to you right now, but together we will be exploring them. Alright, so builders, let's explore. In front of you, you have a chassis. You have a set of grips or seats. You also have a pair of emitters and a pair of palms. At the very end, you have activation plates. If you need assistance at any given moment, we should be able to help you. Now, builders, are we ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's build. It's very simple. We're gonna hold our chassis. So our chassis is gonna hold it like this. You see the windows up here?
Alright, builders, if I can have your attention here, please. You're going to grab your chassis.
We're going to be placing.
You will then place your kyber crystal in your chassis. Now, make sure that the vents are upright.
You feel the spring?
On the top of inside your chassis, the chamber, it has a spring. You'll be able to place your kyber crystal inside.
Lift this up. And then if we place them here, you should be able
It should light up and sing to you.
Great, you should feel a light and you should hear a noise. You heard a noise? Great job.
It did. I heard it. Mine didn't. Happy.
Now, are you able to give it a spin?
So,
You should be able to give it a good spin, and that means that it's moving. If you fall off while you're spinning it,
Thick band on it.
Alright.
That thick band is
So I'll go back to this and walk to the
Face
next
your
one.
kyber crystal.
Now what are you gonna do? I'm gonna
Big
just
hand first, face the kyber crystal. Always
Now, the next step. In sections 1 and 2, you have 4 grips. We're going to choose one.
Yeah.
Once you have that, we're gonna go into
Once you've chosen your first grip, make sure that the wider grip of that grip goes in first near your kyber crystal. So wider grip goes in first near your kyber crystal.
Alright, next thing you gotta do an emitter.
Once you've done that, you will then select an emitter in section 3. You have 2, you will choose one of the 2. The emitter goes on top
You're gonna go to box number
in
3.
section 3.
You have 2 different emitters that you can choose from. You're gonna choose one.
Once you've secured your emitter, you will then turn your chassis over.
You're gonna choose an emitter so we can have an emitter.
There you go. Once you turn it over, you now select another grip. Once you select another grip, make sure once again the wider rim goes in first near your kyber crystal.
All the way to the end of our journey. Now what we're gonna be doing
Once you've done that, now it's time to select your pommel, which is in the last set.
we're going to choose
Second to last. Section 4. You have 2 pommels. You will choose one, and that will go at the end. Now your grips will be loose. That is okay. We're going to secure that.
And now we're gonna go with
Our last step are your 2 sets of activation points in step 5. You have 2 sets. You will choose one of those 2 sets. Once you look inside your activation place, you have 2 colors, red and blue, inside your activation points. You will then match that with blue and red on your chassis.
That's not very nice. Don't worry about the blue pieces. They're supposed to be set up for a reason.
These are going to be flash. Excellent.
Right now you just look and take. Once you get to the room.
Once you've completed putting your hilt together, go ahead and place your hilt on the hilt holder in front of you, and I will secure the last step.
The blue.
So it's these 2 together or those 2 together. They have a green, blue, and
My personal favorite. Beautiful. This is your activation switch. Keep that in.
And then on the other side, they also Great. Now,
Now this is Bantha.
I asked this right now because I'm going to put it all together and we're going to have to take off.
Excellent. This is your activation switch.
In your world,
Well done. Well done.
Okay. Literally that's what you're doing. I see beautiful hills in front of me. You guys did a tremendous job. However, we are now in the most dangerous part of our journey. So, everyone, please, a giant step back. My fellow gatherers are going to be walking around the room right now, and they are going to be placing your hilts into the crystal stabilization chambers. This requires a very steady hand. Right, Priscilla?
Oh yeah. Been at it for 2 weeks. It usually takes about a year to have steady hands. So you guys are safe. Ish.
I will take another step back if you can. All right. How you doing over there, Kelly? All
What?
fine? Well, you're close.
that last explosion, I can't hear it.
I'm sorry, Callie.
Thank you, Kelly.
Thank you.
Okay, I heard that.
All right, builders. I think we're almost ready to.
Well done. Chosen a part with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined, they are much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Wow! Master Yoda! The Force must be with you, builders. And yes, indeed, it is almost time. In a moment, I'll ask to all of you to please step forward, place your hands on your hips, and together we will activate. Builders, are we ready? Yes. All right, step forward. Place your hands on your hips. And activate. Raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate your sabers. Congratulations.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path, only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders, for allowing us to be part of your journey. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should never drop on the ground. For your new saber's protection, we are pleased to present to you a saber sheath as you depart. Unfortunately, our time is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. It is time for you to leave your mark in the galaxy. And maybe one day, I will be here telling your stories. Now, as we say here in Batuu, till the spire. Thank you, builders. Right this way, please. Right this way. Do you want any more junk in there? Right? Right? Great job, builders. Safe travels. Good job. Thank you. If you find anything, you push it out there. You know what to do, right? Thank you. And then, if someone has to
Ladies and gentlemen, John just got his first custom-built lightsaber. This is monumental. And right next to the fastest hunk of junk and most beautiful thing in the galaxy.
This is so cool.
Like they were like going out with boxes.
Oh yeah.
This is Master Obi-Wan Kenobi. I regret to report that both our Jedi Order and the Republic have fallen, with the dark shadow of the Empire rising to take their place.
To the spire thing. And would this be all for you?
I really wish I could film this whole experience, but my battery is literally about to die. It has just been phenomenal, and I'm just so overwhelmed that I don't even know what to do. So we're gonna have to try this again.
Technical difficulty. Boring conversation anyway. Aha! Another group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friends. Welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. I recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. It's good you made it back. Good for you.
Hello, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Yes, yes. Hello, hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the millennium falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes, yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn.
Seated and supervised younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuidados.
Excited?
Very. Buckle your seatbelts and activate.
Well, that concludes our day, John. Do you have any last-minute thoughts?
It was fantastic being a pilot. It was fantastic building my lightsaber, and it was absolutely amazing going to the cantina. Anybody who gets a chance to go here definitely needs to try and do as much as they can. It's an amazing experience.
And what advice can you give for anyone that's on a 4-hour reservation?
Be careful with the lightsaber building experience, because depending on how things go, your reservation can and will get pushed back by an hour like mine did. Hopefully not, but it's a possibility.
Long story short, you're not going to be able to do everything you want within those 4 hours. John and I were able to do a handful of things. We're able to go to the cantina, we're able to go to Savi's workshop, we're able to buy some merchandise, and we made a last-minute trip to Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run, but we barely made it, and we don't have any opportunity to do anything else tonight. We're done. It's closed. So just pick your 2 or 3 top things you want to do, focus on those, and if you have friends, split up, partner up, do whatever you can to make the most of your time here, because this is so amazing. You're not going to have enough time for everything, like I said. Just make the most of it, and may the Force be with you.